Hello friends, let's solve this question. We're given root 9x plus root 4x equals to root 50. We asked to find the value of x. So this root 9x can also be written as root 9 multiplied by root x plus root 4x can also be written as root 4 multiplied by root x, then equals to 50 can be expressed as 25 times 2, and it is also equals to 10 times 5. But which of the pairs are we going to choose? We're going to choose the one that has a perfect square. Now here 25 is a perfect square, 10 and 5, none of them is a perfect square, so we're going to choose 25 times 2. Then we're going to replace root 50 with root 25 times root 2. So we're going to have root 25 multiplied by root 2. Alright, now square root of 9 is equals to 3. Then I have multiplied by square root of x plus square root of 4 is equals to 2 multiplied by square root of x equals to square root of 25 is equals to 5 multiplied by square root of 2. Now if you look at this left hand side of this equation, you see that it has a common term here, which is root x. So let's factor it out. If you factor out root x, we're going to be left with 3 plus 2 root x divided by root x will give you 2, then equals to 5 root 2. So we have root x, 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, then we have equals to 5 root 2. So let's divide both sides by 5. So this and this will cancel out, this and this will cancel out. We'll be left with root x equals to root 2. Now let's raise both sides to the power of 2 to get rid of the square roots. So this square root will cancel this square, and then this square root will cancel this square, and then it implies that x is equals to 2. And then this is the final answer for this question. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, drop your comments, and share with your friends. Have a nice day.